get the turkey started. Drain the brine. Don't rinse the turkey, just pat it dry. Butter compound. Get all leaves off the stems and save the stems to stuff into the turkey. Add everything into the blender: herbs, olive oil, paprika, oregano, seasonings, and butter. Zest and squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Nephew wanted to help. This butter did not want to blend. Finally got it. Tony's Creole butter. I didn't do Tina's butter. Inject it everywhere. Lift the skin from the turkey. Put the butter everywhere. Lil flap for the turkey. Stuff the turkey with all the herbs, oranges, garlic, and lemon. I had to make 2 turkeys, so repeat all the steps. Into the oven at 325 degrees. Inject and baste the turkey every 30 minutes. Two. I kept basting and inject it every 30 minutes. Halfway through, I covered the wings with aluminum so they wouldn't burn. They were finally done at 5:30 a.m. My brother cut one, so we called give it a try. When I say this turkey is so juicy and tender, my God,